The 6th Infantry Brigade was a regular infantry brigade of the British Army that was in existence during the Second Boer War, the First World War and the Second World War, and later formed part of British Army of the Rhine. History. Second Boer War. The brigade was a part of the Natal Field Force under the command of Major General Sir Geoffrey Bartin. It was composed as follows: 2nd Battalion, Royal Fusiliers; 2nd Battalion, Royal Scots Fusiliers; 1st Battalion, Royal Welsh Fusiliers; 2nd Battalion, Royal Irish Fusiliers. World War I. The brigade was part of 2nd Division. The brigade commanded the following units in the First World War: 1st Battalion, Kings; 2nd Battalion, South Staffordshire Regiment; 13th Battalion, Essex Regiment; 1st Battalion, King's Royal Rifle Corps. The following battalions were part of the brigade during 1915. 1st Battalion, Royal Berkshire Regiment; 1. 5th Battalion, Kings; 1. 7th Battalion, Kings; 1/1 of a Stone Battalion, Hertfordshire Regiment. The 17th Battalion of the Royal Fusiliers joined the brigade from the 5th Brigade in February 1918. World War II. At the outbreak of war in 1939, the 6th Infantry was part of the 2nd Infantry Division. In 1939, the brigade moved with the 2nd Infantry Division to France and was involved in the short Battle of France, fighting at the battles of the Dial, Saint-Omer-la-Bassée, and the retreat to an evacuation from Dunkirk in 1940. With the invasion of Burma by the Japanese army, the brigade was shipped out to India with the 2nd Division, where it would remain for the rest of the war, fighting in the Burma campaign. It fought in the Arakan and at Kohima and Mandalay. The brigade was composed as follows: 1st Battalion, Royal Berkshire Regiment; 1st Battalion, Royal Welsh Fusiliers; 2nd Battalion, Durham Light Infantry; 1st Battalion, East Lancashire Regiment; 6th Infantry Brigade Anti-Tank Company, while an independent brigade group fighting in the Arakan between the 1st of November 1942 and the 2nd of June 1943. The following additional units were attached: 1st Battalion, Royal Scots; 99th Field Regiment, Royal Artillery; 506th Field Company, Royal Engineers; 6th Field Ambulance, Royal Army Medical Corps. Post-World War II, the brigade was reformed from 153rd Infantry Brigade in 1947 and then formed part of British Army of the Rhine, being based at St Sebastian Barracks, in SOESD in 1952. During the 1970s, the brigade was one of two square brigades assigned to 3rd Armoured Division. After being briefly converted to Task Force Foxtrot in the late 1970s, the brigade was reinstated in 1981, assigned to 3rd Armoured Division, and was reformed as an Airmobile Brigade at Salamanca Barracks in SOESD from 1986 to 1988, and then reformed again as an armoured brigade from 1988 to 1992.